Okay, so what we're looking at here is a router. This is a router right here. It basically bevels your wood. It's very good. You've got your adjustment arm right here. Obviously, it's very powerful. It comes with a box of router bits, which is right here, as you can see. There are various sizes and styles of groove it's going to create in your wood. And it comes with like a fairly large set, I think. I think it's pretty large. So you get a great starter set here for your router bits. In addition to that, it has a vent for, you know, the air and stuff like that, which you can clamp it on. In addition to that, you get a variety of tools, which allows you to mount it and add mounts onto it. And, you know, all the bits you need to undo the actual router bit itself and tie it up again, which is great. It comes with a instruction manual, and also it comes with a special bag to hold it after you kind of get it out of your box. I think it's a really fantastic value, and it's a really great router for your little workshop, especially if you work with wood. So I'm going to give this one a big thumbs up.